Okay, question 4. SpongeBob SquarePants recently met Susie Roundpants at a dance. SpongeBob is heterozygous. Remember, that means they have different alleles, or he has different alleles for his square shape. Susie Roundpants, Susie, Sponge Susie is round. Create a Punnett square to show the possibilities that would result if SpongeBob and Sponge Susie, had children. Hint, read question 2. Okay, so here's question 2 right there. Now, so if we take a look at question 2 up here, this is why it suggests you look at question 2. If you're looking at SpongeBob, and it says that his square shape, which is dominant, is heterozygous, that means it's going to look like this. It's going to be a big S, little s, right? And so the first thing we need to do is we need to put down SpongeBob's alleles, okay, his genotype there. It also says that Sponge Susie, is round in shape. And if you're going to be round in this particular case, round is a recessive trait. So it needs to be a little less, Okay, so we put her on the side. Now we got to cross them to see the possibilities. Okay, so there's our cross. There's our possibilities. And the first thing it asks us to do in A is list the possible genotypes and phenotypes for the children. Okay, well, first of all, we have 2 big S little s and 2 little s little s. So it shows us that we have, okay, for genotypes, 2 possibilities, big S little s and little s little s. We also have either a square shape right here or a round shape right here, okay, for what our phenotypes might be. Part B, what are the chances that having a child with a square shape? Okay, so we have 2 children with square shapes, big S, big S, little s. Out of 4 total, 2 out of 4 can be reduced to 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 is a division question, which means 50%, right? Okay, what are the chances of a child with a round shape? Okay, so there are 2 children with a round shape, little s, and little s, and that's out of 4 as well, at 50%. Okay, on to the next question. Patrick met Patty at the dance. Both of them are heterozygous for their pink body color, which is dominant over a yellow body color. Create a Punnett square to show the possibilities that would result if Patrick and Patty had children. Hint, read question 3. Here's question 3. Okay, you can see that picture of Patrick up here. Okay, and here's all the genotype information and phenotype information for him. So it says they're both heterozygous. What does that mean? They're both different. Okay, they both have different alleles. Okay, in regards to their pink body shape, or pink body color rather. Okay, and so that means big P, little p. Okay, for both of them. Okay, so we put that in there and we cross them. Okay, list the possible genotypes. Okay, big P, little p, big P, big P, little p, or big P, big P, little p, and little p. So we have 3 possibilities here, right? A homozygous dominant, a homozygous recessive, and a heterozygous, and 2 heterozygous individuals. That also means that we have 2 possibilities for a phenotype, right? These will be pink. This will be yellow. So what are the chances of their children having a pink body? Well, it's 3 out of 4, or 75%. Remember, that's simply a division question. Fractions are division question. 3 divided by 4 is 75%. 1 out of 4, okay? 25%.